Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make junk journal book or traveler's notebook out of vinyl. This is a piece of vinyl. I had it in long time. This is just a color ink. I just try something here, and this is a piece of vinyl. I had it, so I decided to make one junk journal book out of this vinyl. So I already cut the size as I want. I will show you my measurement. If you like same measurement, you can use this measurement, or you decide what measurement you should have on your own junk journal book or traveler's notebook. What I have in here measurement 24.5 centimeter width, I think, width this way, and 20 centimeter here, 20 centimeter here to there, 20 centimeter. And for this piece I measure 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here. So this is a 10 centimeter with this piece, and here to here 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter on the middle, and like this, like a belt shape. You can decide if you don't want to this triangle piece, you just can make with a little rectangle, just a rectangle. Decide to what you want to do it. I just giving roughly idea for how to make this book, so you can take a screenshot to take if you want the same measurement as I did. I think you can see, you can take screenshot for this measurement. Alright, I already cut this piece as I want. I remove my measurements, and now let's see inside. Here inside this inside the original vinyl piece, color like this, like a dirty looking color come with. And what I have done here, I had it lots of idea, like I had idea for fabric, but I didn't have a proper fabric for suitable for this one. So I decided to do, and another things, this one little bit thick vinyl, not a softy vinyl, it's a thick vinyl, so I thought it's strong enough for the book cover. So what I decided to do here, I had some wood strain like a rusty looking, you can see. I took the wood strain. Let me show you what I have it. It's very old container because my husband had it long time, and this wood strain, it's not English writing. This wood strain I had it, so I use it here on this vinyl. Then I use some white craft paint, let me show you my craft paint. Here I had it my white craft paint, so I took it, rub it with my finger, little bit here and there, here and there, and then black craft paint, and I distress all around the corners. You can see black color here. This is just a craft paint and the wood strain. You can use, I think there's a lots of video, you can use the ink, if you have a leather ink or I don't know exactly what can use. This is, I just try, it's worked for me. If you doesn't have a strain, you can use even colors, even you can use craft paint or whatever you color you have. Try it first piece of vinyl, like as I did here. I just tried this piece a little bit, and I like first this one is a black craft paint. It's look good too, but I like this rusty looking because my page is going to be tea dyed paper, like a vintage looking. So I decide to use the wood strain. So I hope you understand what I done here, and let's move into the next step. In the second step, in my second step, what I'm going to do, and I'm going to sew the around the book, and I'm going to sew with my hand and with hand. If you have a sewing machine, if you know use it, and you can sew around here with the sewing machine. And same time I cut piece of vinyl, little thin stripe of vinyl for my belt. This one I'm going to attach into here, with sewing. This is my second step. Actually, first step I forgot to mention to you. And after this wood staining, colors and everything finished, I varnish this one. So for protect more, so I decide to varnish. So I varnished, spray varnished. If you have a varnish, you can do it, or if you can use, mud porch, layer of mud porch, so it's protecting more. This is a matte varnish, I had it, so I use for this cover. It doesn't matter if you have a shiny one. Mud porch maybe can show a little bit shiny, it's okay. I'm going to sew this around the book with the brown normal threads, and then I will show you how I finish second step.